CIFR Mining Incorporated Detailed Technical Analysis. General Overview and Trend. CIFR Mining has experienced a remarkable bullish reversal over the past 3 months, starting near 3.08 in early June and surging to a peak of 8.71 in late August. The stock currently trades at 7.64 as of August 29, representing a substantial gain of approximately 148% from its June lows. The overall trend has decisively shifted bullish following a prolonged consolidation phase, with the price breaking above key resistance levels in mid-August. Recent price action shows strong momentum with higher highs and higher lows, though the current pullback from the peak suggests some profit-taking. The stock has shown increasing volatility with expanding price ranges, characteristic of a breakout phase. The long-term trend remains positive with the price trading well above all major moving averages, price and volume. Volume patterns reveal critical confirmation of the bullish trend. Notable volume spikes occurred during the breakout, 70.2 million shares on August 29 when the stock reached 7.64, and 36.3 million shares on August 18 during the surge to 6.05. These figures significantly exceed the typical daily volume of 15 to 25 million shares seen earlier in the period, indicating strong institutional and retail participation. The on-balance volume indicator at 498.2 million shows persistent accumulation throughout the rally, confirming buying pressure. Price action reveals a decisive breakout above 5.00 resistance in mid-August, followed by an accelerated advance to 8.71. The current pullback appears healthy as the stock retests breakout levels, with volume remaining elevated suggesting continued interest. Moving averages. The moving average structure confirms the bullish trend across all timeframes. Short-term averages, 5-day SMA at 7.08, 5-day EMA at 7.07, trade below the current price, reflecting recent strong momentum. Medium-term averages, 20-day SMA at 5.77, 20-day EMA at 6.18, also sit below current levels, highlighting the strength of the intermediate uptrend. Longer-term averages, 50-day SMA at 5.64, 200-day SMA at 4.74, remain far below the current price, emphasizing the magnitude of the breakout. The exponential moving averages are positioned above their simple counterparts, reflecting recent price strength. The consistent alignment of all major moving averages below the current price underscores the robustness of the prevailing uptrend. The 200-day moving average at 4.74 provides strong long-term support. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators show strong bullish momentum with some signs of short-term exhaustion. The RSI 14 at 72.93 indicates overbought conditions, though this is common during strong trends. MACD shows strong positive momentum at 0.47 with a histogram at 0.21, confirming bullish acceleration. Stochastics, 15-period K at 89.91, D at 90.30, remain elevated but show healthy consolidation. The Commodity Channel Index at 181.64 reflects extreme bullish momentum. Volatility indicators show expanding Bollinger bands, upper band at 7.56, middle band at 5.77, lower band at 3.98, suggesting increased volatility potential. The parabolic SAR at 5.76 acts as dynamic support below current price. Money Flow Index at 84.61 indicates strong buying pressure, while the ADX at 30.89 confirms a strengthening trend. The Williams %R at -26.49 shows strong momentum. The Aroon up at 100.0 confirms the uptrend strength. Linear regression. Linear regression analysis over the past 30 days reveals a steep upward trajectory with the price consistently trading above the regression line. The slope of the regression line indicates a strong rate of ascent, while the current position well above the line suggests underlying strength. The regression channel boundaries show the price oscillating within an expanding range, characteristic of a strengthening trend. The most recent price action shows the stock testing the upper regression channel, indicating persistent bullish momentum. The R-squared value would likely show a strong positive correlation between time and price movement, confirming the reliability of the trend. Opening price prediction for next trading day. Based on the current technical setup, the opening price for the next trading day is projected between 7.50 and 7.75. This considers the bullish close at 7.64, the positioning above key moving averages, and the strong momentum indicators. The overnight futures market and pre-market indicators would provide additional confirmation, but the technical structure supports a stable to slightly higher opening. The proximity to recent highs and the bullish alignment of indicators favor a positive start to the session. Support and resistance analysis. Key support levels are identified at 7.00, psychological level, 6.95, August 29th low, and 6.64, August 26th high. The current price at 7.64 is approximately 0.69 points above the nearest support at 6.95. Resistance levels are located at 8.00, psychological level, 8.71, recent high, and 9.00, psychological target. The distance to the nearest resistance at 8.00 is about 0.36 points. Given this positioning, intraday movement patterns are likely to feature initial tests of resistance levels, with potential pullbacks toward support if resistance holds. The stock may experience range-bound trading between these levels before a directional breakout. The strong trend suggests any pullbacks may be shallow. Possible high and low values based on ATR-14. The average true range stands at 0.58, indicating elevated volatility. Based on this, the possible high for the next trading day is calculated as 7.64 plus 0.58 is equal to 8.22, while the possible low is 7.64 minus 0.58 is equal to 7.06. These levels represent the expected trading range under normal volatility conditions. However, given the current trend strength and proximity to highs, the actual range may skew toward the upper end of this projection, with potential for an extended move beyond 8.22 if bullish momentum accelerates. Possible scenarios. The primary scenario involves a continuation of the uptrend, with the stock breaking above resistance at 8.00 to challenge the recent high at 8.71 and potentially reaching new highs above 9.00. This scenario would be supported by increasing volume and strengthening momentum indicators. The alternative scenario involves a pullback toward support levels around 6.95 to 6.64, where buyers may emerge to sustain the longer-term uptrend. A third scenario involves consolidation between 6.95 and 8.00 as the stock gathers momentum for the next directional move. The technical indicators strongly favor the bullish continuation scenario, though the overbought conditions suggest the possibility of temporary consolidation. Conclusion. CIFR Mining remains in a strong technical position with a clear upward trend across multiple timeframes. The stock is trading near recent highs with key moving averages providing dynamic support below. Momentum indicators confirm the bullish structure despite some short-term overbought readings. The risk-reward profile appears favorable for continued upside, with critical support levels providing defined downside protection. Investors should monitor the resistance levels around 8.00 to 8.71 for potential breakout signals, while maintaining awareness of the overbought conditions in some oscillators. The overall technical evidence supports the continuation of the long-term uptrend, with near-term consolidation providing potential buying opportunities on dips toward support levels. The stock's ability to maintain above key moving averages will be crucial for sustaining the positive momentum. Given the strong trend and volume confirmation, the technical outlook remains firmly bullish.